I've never done crawling before, so I've gone out and bought the cheapest RC crawler I could find. Should we find out what 30 quid gets you in a crawling world? Wish us luck. So let's have a look at the box art. Okay, so it's licensed by Toyota, but as this car was really cheap, I guess they didn't really spend much time on the box art. So I suppose let's get into it. So, I haven't bought a crawler before, so I guess one didn't want to spend a lot of money in case I didn't like it, but I'm all up for new challenges. Let's put the knife away. Got to be a responsible adult to have a knife. So, what we got in the box? So, some parts. We've got another bag. Oh, fancy bag. They've got to spend more money on this bag than they did on the packaging. What's in this one? We have got some plasticky bits and probably a basic charger. What else we got? We've got a transmitter. Let's get in there. A transmitter. Oh, it's basic. It's got a thumb steer on it. Again, we're not going to be expecting a great deal. And let's have a look at the RC itself. So, this RC is a ZVM MN82s. Let's have a look. Check her out. Let's move all this stuff out of the way. Let's check her out. Oh, she smells like she's been wrapped in plastic. She almost smells as good as RC wheels. Let's give her a sniff. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Yeah, there we have it. There you go. Fully licensed by Toyota. What you can see, we've got some working front lights on there. Well, hopefully they work. And rear lights. What else have we got? We've got at the back, we have got springs and shocks and leaf springs. Okay, so that's going to be a quite bouncy, I guess. And at the front, we've just got the standard crawler link suspension. Tiny little servo just nestling in there. But yeah, so it's in this lovely matte black, and oh nice, I've got storage so I can put some tools in there potentially. But let's see, the front is really soft, but the back is shall we say quite bouncy due to the fact we've got shocks, springs and leaf springs. So you've almost got double rear suspension. Not the biggest amount of travel on it. So what else have we got? A nice bonnet. Lift the bonnet up, or the hood, so our battery fits in there. What battery does it come with? So lithium ion, 1200 mAh, 7.4 volts, so that's 2S. So yeah, cute little battery. Just plugs in there like that. days, even got an interior, that's quite cool. So what I think I need to do, so I need to build this truck up, but got decals as well, again officially licensed, so Toyota, and we've got TRD as well, and the body is of a Toyota Land Cruiser, 1/12 scale, so minimal, shall we say, on the instruction manual, but at least it shows you how to put it together. Okay, cool. So you can have different configurations of this RC as well. So potentially you can have it as a pickup or a flatbed. Guess you have to buy the pickup. At the moment I've got the Super Tourer. I guess if I take the back off, it'll turn into a flatbed. So got diffs. So it's got boxes front and rear. 4-wheel drive, as you'd expect from a little crawler. But yeah, I'm excited. Never done any crawling before. So let's build this up. So there it is. Just had to put some of these little pieces on: wing mirrors, snorkel, aerial, some light covers and things like that. And now I've put the battery in. Battery's in the controller. Let's see what it's got to do. But before we do, let's say hello to Craig. Hi Craig. Craig's doing his live stream. Looks like he's about to backflip the lozzie. Anywho, back to this. Let's turn that on. Ooh, flashy blue light. So off we got. Oh, there you go. Switch it on. Oh, beep beep. It's got lights. So off we got. Hang on. It's got indicators. Oh, check that out. Happy days. Steering, it's alright. I don't know what crawling's all about, so it could be good. And then we got reverse lights. Anyway, let's see what oh, there's some obstacles. Let's see what it's like. Well, yeah. No. Dun, 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 dun. So, all I need to do now to this little puppy, it seems quite fun already, but I want to get it something a bit more off-road than my workbench. So I'm going to get the decals on it, take it on location, and then we're going to do a first run and see what this crawling's all about. Please whack in the comments. I've no idea when it comes to crawling, so please, any guidance will be muchly appreciated. I can't wait to get this little RC up and running. Choo choo. This is going to be carnage. Should we do flat out? Okay. Right. So there it is. This is the ZVM MN82s. Let's find out what crawling's all about. Wish me luck on the next video. What do we reckon then? The ZVM MN82s. £32. Can't go that wrong, can it? We're going to find out in the next video when I give it its first run. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed my interesting unboxing video, please bash the old like button. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hitting the subscribe and like button costs you absolutely nothing, but it means a world to me to help support the channel. My channel is nothing without your support, so thank you very much. And if you've liked these ones, check out these ones. See you later.